We got this towel on the floor, which is on the outside. We also put a towel on the inside here too, because the first couple days we didn't want to have them making any contact, any eye contact, any visuals. She's a little curious to see what's going on. I think he's just a little behind her, but she's telling us now that she's ready to move to the next step of being introduced to the other cats. If I go to open that door right now, I'm guessing one of our other cats is probably on the other side. They know they're in here. They can smell them. They can hear them. They've even seen them through a little bit of opening that we've created underneath the door. Our silver Cleo, she stuck her nose under. I was in the hallway. She gave some sniffs. She was calm at first, but then she hissed a little bit. So I closed it back up, the gap underneath the door. This way she doesn't feel threatened. Gave her a few treats out in the hallway to kind of encourage, hey, this is a good thing meeting these other cats. What are you doing? You're a big boy. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. Oh, come here. There you go. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Go eat your treats. Go eat your treats. Good kitty. Good kitty. Yeah, it's a little man. Yeah. Yeah. What? What? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, she's trying to touch you. She wants to play with you. You feel safe now? You feel safe now? Huh? You feel safe now? Yeah? Yeah, you good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Oh my God, she got her whole head under there. Good little man. Yeah, that's a good boy. Okay, I'm going to bring in one of the other cat's toys. It's got their smells on it. They usually sit on this with their butts. See what they think of it. Swapping toys, getting each one of them used to the smells. It's day 7 now that they've been in the safe room. They're completely used to me, used to each other. It's given me time to understand their mannerisms, how they react, how they act. One thing I've noticed, this little guy here, he's a little bit of a chewer. I found, let's see here, I found a label he started chewing on that he must have pulled off something. And also this little piece of string. This maybe held a bell on a toy, I'm not entirely sure, but these are things you want to look for because you don't want to have them ingesting these things and going to an unnecessary vet trip, which would be very expensive. He's busy here trying to get the ball. There's been a lot of action at the door, some hissing from the resident cats. These ones don't seem to mind, so it's really time now to progress with the introduction between both pairs. Well, he's curious. I know there's somebody there on the other side of the door because I heard him hiss. He just wants to play with him. It's day 10 now, and I've had this door wide open with the screen here placed in between so they can now smell each other. That's been like that for about 3 days. Cleo's gotten a lot better. She used to just hiss when they would get close up, but she's getting a little curious. We've had a lot of treats time on each side of the door, a little bit of play time, a little bit of feeding, and they're definitely getting used to each other, and the newbies are telling me they want out, so I think today is going to be the day that we release the hounds and let them all play. Now I moved the plexiglass part of my screen door up to the top, stacked it on top of the screen that normally fits in for the summer, and I'm just using packing tape on the sides so the screen is very firmly in place. The top part here where it's the plexiglass part, I can easily pull it away, and I'm using it as like a door that I can get in and out of the room that they can't get out of. Now they've climbed this, but they're not going to do it right now, and I can easily put this back in place. It just so happened to work out because the screen and also the storm window fit exactly in my door frame side to side. It only takes a little piece of tape to secure it in place. Now I assume that having the screen and also the storm window stacked on top of each other would be an inadequate height to keep the resident cats from entering the safe room there. This is about 4 feet tall, and Cleo, who's a complete treat addict, saw me giving the newbies treats on the bed, and she jumped all the way to the top, put her little paws on the top, pulled herself open, and plopped inside. I had to scurry to get off the bed and put her on the other side because I didn't want it to go down right away. It's going to be today, but I don't want her feeling trapped in there, and also too, if something goes down and they go under the bed, I won't be able to see it. I'll have much more control once I get them out in the rest of the house. Let's check in on resident kitties. Let's see how they're doing. What's up, buddy? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Where's Cleo? Cleo, you want some treats? Treats for Cleo? You want some treats, huh, big boy? That's the little man. Huh? Yeah? What do you want, buddy? What? Where are you going? Are you excited? Are you excited to meet the little ones? No? Not so much? Huh? Yeah? You just want the treats? Come on, Cleo. Treat time. Treat time. Come on, Cleo. Cleo Castle. Good girl. Alright, so let's give these two some treats here. Make them happy. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do. I'm kind of playing this by ear, but I'm letting them tell me how I should proceed, not with how I think it should proceed. Got to keep in mind, pay attention to them. Okay, so I got them busy eating some treats, trying to associate good things with what's about to come. Good things, good vibes. You guys ready to come out? Yeah, you want to come out? Okay. Ready to go out? Ready to go out? Ready to go out? Huh? Ready to go out?